So here is Threads, an Instagram app, and just a quick overview for you. So this app was just launched today. Yeah, and this is like a text-based conversation app, Instagram-based, meaning it's super easy to create your account. Basically, you just need to log in with your Instagram account. So if you have Instagram app installed on your phone, when you just open up Threads, it will automatically find out your account. And what you need to do, just tap the button and log in with your current Instagram account. You can also switch your Instagram accounts. But you don't need to do much. That just log in with your Instagram account, and you're in. Yeah, of course. Yeah, you can't log in with Snapchat, obviously, because it's like a competitor of Facebook. You can't log in with Apple or Google, only with Instagram. If you don't have Instagram account, then probably you just need to create one. So yeah, and then this is how it looks like. This is basically just Instagram without photos. Like where like the same design, same icons, everything same. Just like the priority is to text. So it kind of looks like Twitter but with Instagram design. How to follow someone. Just tap on the plus icon and then you can just follow, for example. Then you can tap on three dots in the right and then you can unfollow, you can mute, hide, or report. By the way, if you're following someone here, you won't be following them on Instagram automatically. So you can go to check is their Instagram account from here. You can see that I'm not following them. Even if I follow them on Threads, I'm not following them on Instagram, which of course makes sense. Of course, these two platforms are kind of synchronized, but not to this much. There you have it. Then again, you can just. Then here is how the feed looks like. You can just scroll through it, and you can see a lot of dogs, and you can see a lot of images. Just tap on this, and then again, you can just see all the options. You can like it. You can leave a comment. You can repost it or retweet it. You can also just add to story, post to Instagram feed, tweet it as well, which is interesting. Copy link or share. So that's what you can do. This is not how you send like a direct message. And then like you can follow, but it's not possible to send direct messages. So you can also see some links added. So you can also add a link to your bio. This is how it looks like. I guess they will add more features. You can also in the bottom, you can just reply. So that's basically that. The thing with this app is that, with every new app, you can expect, there are quite a few users, like there can be like 50,000 users or something, and then new posts getting like 3 likes and something like that. And it should take, like few months until there is a huge user base. Here in this app, actually, because it's owned by Meta, you instantly see a lot of engagement, a lot of people, a lot of users. So that's like the one huge advantage this app has, like the user base. So that's how it's different from Blue Sky, for example, or even Mastodon, that this app on the day one, it has probably millions of users already just in the first few hours. And, a lot of users from Instagram gonna just use this app, maybe just like, as a Twitter version in their feed. But let's see if this will stuck. I think the Twitter still has its own space. Like a lot of tech people, a lot of communities still like Twitter. This is of course just one of the alternatives, and for a lot of users, it's just super easy to log in one click with Instagram, and that's basically the idea of it. Then you can just have search, then you can just follow people from Instagram. It just gives you suggestions. You can also follow people Yes, so here you can go to Zack account. So that's the account. So you can also when you create an account here, you can follow already your Instagram friends. So there you have it. So something is not, you can see replies. Um, so yeah, here you have that, and then yeah, you can just follow a lot of creators. Uh, some creators already got access. Um, so the thing is, like, what is Threads.net? So at the moment, it's just like a domain, but as I understand, Threads will also build on this Fediverse. So what is Fediverse? This is like a new concept for like kind of future decentralized social media, such as Mastodon, Blue Sky, and all of these new decentralized social media are built upon decentralized protocols, where like basically the backend, the database is just a collection of independent servers or nodes on these servers. And then the idea of this decentralized Fediverse is that, for example, you have your followers and content on Blue Sky. Then, for example, you got banned on Blue Sky, you can just move to another server. Or you ideally you can take all your followers and content, move from Blue Sky to Threads, from Threads to Mastodon. And if you have any issues on any server, like you can't be banned so easily and you can't be moderated or cancelled. You just change the server and you take your followers and your content with you. So this like threads.net, I think this is just a part of it that you will be able to use your own domain there. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then yeah, you can see and then you can see requests, replies, mentions, verified. So that's just your account here. You can edit profile. You can select to be a private profile, follow and invite friends. You can also do it from here. Privacy. You can change to private profile, then change allow mentions from everyone, no one, muted. Hidden words, profiles you follow. So that's basically what you can see here. Hide likes, a blocked profile. So this is some additional features. So here you can hide likes, and this setting also applies to Threads. So a lot of additional settings. And then you just have your account, take a break, get a reminder to take a break when you spend this amount of time on Threads. You can also, if you want to deactivate Threads profile, this will not affect your Instagram account. Then personal information. Then if you wanna, you can just tap edit profile, change. It's not possible to change your name here. Your name is linked to your Instagram account. It cannot be changed here. So you need to go through account center, and the same goes with your username. Just a bit annoying, but that's like their new policy, that they just have their account center bio link. You can also change from here. Fortunately, you can change your profile picture from here, so that's good. And then you can see your followers. So that's basically what it is. And then you can just refresh it, and that's that. So finally, how to post. So you can just start this thread. You can allow access to your photos. You can post photos and videos, select up to 10 items. Anyone can reply. You can change uh, profiles you follow mentioned only. This is the feature from Twitter, obviously, and then you can just start posting these threads. So that's like where the name of this app comes from. And then yeah, then you can just keep scrolling, and that's basically that's the idea. Again, as you can see, there is already a lot of engagement, thousands of likes on the day one. A lot of influencers, of course, because this is like Facebook, and they have obviously billions of users. So that's like the advantage compared to Blue Sky or Mastodon, where they need to build their user base from zero. But let's see. I also tried Blue Sky, and I like Blue Sky. Mastodon, it was a bit too complicated. It's just, but Blue Sky seems fine as well. Twitter has its own community, so let's see how it develops. Future probably this should just be a collection of all this decentralized micro blogging. So yeah, there you have it. That's the app. Is it available on Android? I think, yep, it should be available on Google Play Store as well. So give it a try.